Hello guys, again welcome to today's video. In today's video I want to show you how to file your KRA returns using a P9 form. The process is not that much complicated. It's something you can do by yourself, so make sure you follow this tutorial step by step until the end. First, before I get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more video tutorial like this. Let's get started. Hand over to your browser, your favorite browser. In my case I'm using Chrome. Type iTax portal like that. Click the first link, that is the iTax KRA, like that. Enter your KRA pin. Now I want to type in my KRA pin. Click continue. Enter the password. Make sure the password is correct, and if you don't remember the password, I have made a video on how to recover your KRA password. So for now, let me enter my KRA password. Next, enter the security stamp, 174 plus 4, that will be 178. Click login, and as you can see, I'm logged into my KRA iTax account. Now I can proceed to file. Remember, we are filing the KRA returns using the P9 form. So I'll proceed to the top menu and go to the returns, the area with the menu called returns. Then I will click file return like that, and I'm going to select the tax obligation. I'll click select, and in my case I am supposed to select income tax resident individual. I'll click like that, then I'll click next, and the system says return for the period. So the system is going to indicate the period of the time that you're filing the KRA returns, and as you know, we always file the previous complete year. So after confirming the year I'm filing, I'll click OK, and as you can see, I'm directed to some instructions on how to file the KRA returns using the P9 form step by step. I'm going to click the step number 5, whereby it says click here to download income tax resident individual form Excel. So I'm going to click the Excel and download it. Click there, and as you can see, the Excel sheet that I'm supposed to fill in the details and the when I'm filing has been downloaded. Let me go to the let me go and show the folder location where the Excel sheet has been downloaded. Here it is, but as you can see, it is in form of zipped document. So I'll have to unzip it. I'll just proceed and unzip it. Okay, so this is my unzipped Excel sheet that I'm supposed to populate my P9 details as I file the KRA returns using the P9 form. I open it, as you can see, I've opened my Excel sheet, and there's a pop-up here saying please do not cut and paste any value in the workbook. I'll say okay. Now I'll start filling the Excel workbook with the details of my P9 form. So let me go ahead and open the P9 form that I'm using to file the return. This is the P9 form that I'm using to file the returns, and as you can see, we have the employer's PIN here, and then we have the employee's PIN, and then we have other details pertaining the payment. In this document, for example, we have the basic salary. Okay, so we have the basic salary, gross pay, we have the changeable pay, we have the tax changed, we have the personal relief, PAYE, and such information. So first I'll get back to my Excel sheet, fill in my KRA PIN. Remember, it says personal identification number, which is my PIN. Let me type it in. Okay, then I'm going to proceed to type of the return. What is the type of the return that I'm doing here? I'm going to fill in original. It is the original filing that I'm doing. Then I'll proceed to the return period from to return period to. Okay, so the return period from starts as from January 1st January of the year to 31st December, sorry, to 31st December of the same year. So do you have any income other than the employment income? If you have any other income other from the employment income, you say yes. But for now, I'm going to say no. I don't have any other income from the other than the employment income. Okay, the rest of the document, I'll leave it as it is, and I'll continue and click next. Next, I'm going to fill in the PIN of the employer. The PIN of my employer, it is here on the P9 form. This is the PIN of the employer. So I'll come here and fill in the PIN of the employer. Okay, then name of the employer. There I'm going to enter the name of the employer. The name of the employer is indicated at your P9 form. Remember, P9 forms can be in different formats. So this is the name of my employer. I'll go back and type the name of my employer. Okay, then I'm going to type in the gross pay. I'm going to back to the P9 form and look at the figure that is the gross pay. Gross pay, here is the gross pay, which is 613,500. I'll enter it here like that. 613,500. Okay, Then allowances and benefit from employer, I'll type here 0. Majorly the rest I'm going to fill in is 0. Then I'll click next. In the next, again, I'll be required to fill in the PIN of the employer. I'll just pick it there, like that. The name of the employer. Then I'll end over to the taxable salary. I'll go back to the my P9 form and look at the taxable salary. Taxable salary is the other name for changeable pay. Changeable pay is same as taxable salary, which in my case is 600, 540. 600, 540. 600, 500, 600, 540. Okay, that is my changeable pay. 540. All right. Next, I'm going to the section saying taxable, payable on taxable salary. Tax payable on taxable salary. I'll go back to my P9 form. I check the tax charged. Tax charged is the same as tax payable on taxable salary. Basically, they are asking for the tax charged. In my case here, it is 117,558. 117,558. But I want you to notice one thing here. When it comes to tax payable on taxable salary, what you do, you add the tax charged, which is 117,558, plus the personal relief, which is 28,800. After adding, you get 146,358. You get 146,358. So what we are saying here, tax payable on taxable salary, you take the tax charged, you add to personal relief, in this case, which is 117,558 plus 28,800. If you add that, you get 146,358. So back to my Excel sheet, you are supposed to enter that total, which is 146,358, like that. Then we go to amount of tax deducted, also known as PAYE. Amount of tax deducted, also known as PAYE. Here you go back to your P9 form and enter the PAYE, and the PAYE here is 87,478. 87,478. So you come to your Excel workbook and put the amount of tax deducted, the PAYE, as 87,478, like that. Okay, after populating all those figures, you click next. continue and click again next. And now we are at the section of tax computation. Here go to define or pension contribution. Go back to your Excel sheet, go back to your P9 form and check the define pension contribution. Here, this is the part define contribution retirement scheme. Here, take the figure of the actual defined contribution retirement scheme, the actual, which is 12,960. Come back to your Excel workbook and type in this amount, 12,960. 12,960. Okay, like that. And another area you should check is the personal relief. The personal relief as per the P9 form is 28,800, and it is populated already. So the personal relief is 28,800. So as you can see, we have populated the details as per the P9 form. If you scroll down here, we have a positive amount at the tax due or refund due. We have a positive number here. If you have a positive number like this, which is big, you will have to go back to the M details of the paid deductant and cross check to make sure that you have populated the figures according to the P9 form and correctly. Okay, go on and check. So the whole point here is to make sure the tax due is 0 or the amount is as small as possible. Now after you have cross-checked that everything is according to your P9 form, you can go ahead and click validate and click validate. Okay, after the Excel workbook has processed, you see we have a pop-up here that says that shows that the Excel workbook has processed everything successfully, and it says sheets are ready to be uploaded. Do you want to generate upload file? Here you click yes. The next pop-up shows you the path to the location where the zipped workbook is I'll go back to my iTax account and click choose. Then I'll go to where the Excel workbook, where the zipped Excel workbook has been saved, and I'll know it via the date and time. Then I'll click it like this, and then I'll click open, and as you can see here, the zipped Excel workbook has been uploaded here. Then I'll agree to the terms and conditions, and finally click submit. So there you have it. That is how you file your KRA returns using a P9 form. And just but a disclaimer: if you still feel that the process is still complicated, it's always advisable to consult a certified secretary or accountant, or even call KRA themselves, and they will assist you accordingly with filing your KRA returns. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe, and see you in the next video.